Hi there. You know I can't help myself. I just have to be a part of this, right? You might want to jot this down somewhere on the back of your notes or on a scrap paper or something, or just listen and take it all in. So I just want to make sure that you know the difference between a critical value and a p-value. Critical value we use in the traditional testing method, and then p-value obviously is in the p-value method. So in order to get our critical value, remember we jump into the z-table using our alpha. So we go in 0500, search for it. If it's in between, you got all this. Remember that critical value is the dividing line for the shaded critical region or rejection region and the non-critical, non-shaded, non-rejection region. And we compare that critical value to the test statistic. So that's our traditional. When we're doing a p-value, remember, we calculate our test statistic. So we use our z formula, x bar minus mu, sigma over the square root of n. And then we go to the z-table with that number. So the way I've been writing it is z of whatever that test statistic answer is. This is the actual area. So if I get an answer from that z-test of 2.78, I go to my z-table, I go to 2.7 and then across to 0.08, and that is the actual area under the curve. Remember, right or left makes a difference. Make sure that you keep track of that, because right we have to subtract from 1. So the actual area under the curve is what we're looking for from that test statistic. And then we don't do a critical value, we compare that to alpha. So just, kind of thinking ahead and thinking it through, the difference between those two. The only difference in the steps themselves is step 2 or 3. In both of them, we do calculate z, but we use it for a different purpose. So just wanted to make sure that we talked that through, and you got to hear my voice today. All right. Have a great day.